This could be the car for you. The 2017 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.